Okay, here we go. This video we're going to be talking about releasing the iliacus hip flexor muscles, engaging your transverse abdominis, and engaging your glute max, and doing a glute bridge here. So we're going to do a little iliacus release. What Richard is going to do is put his hands together on top of each other, and he's kind of going to come in on the inside of his hip bone, right in there. He's going to feel all the pleasantness that's happening inside those hip flexors, and he's going to be releasing specifically his iliacus muscle. He's just going to go on a little bit of a cross fiber friction, just going back and forth, up and down there, rubbing really slowly. And we're just going to be doing this for about 60 seconds on each side. Okay, so a good thorough release of each hip flexor over here. And then how does that feel to you, Richard?
Oh, so good.
So good. Okay, all right. Does it feel kind of tight in there?
Super tight, man.
Super tight, okay.
Like a toiga.
Like a toiga. All right. So we're getting some good release into that iliacus. Just using his hands, go back and forth. Make sure that you don't do it too much if it's too painful. Don't make yourself cry or squirm with pain. It's not no pain, no gain. So just go with a comfortable level of release in there. And then a few more seconds, and then I'll have you switch over to the other side. There you go. Yep, you can switch, that's fine. And we'll just start releasing on that right side as well. Make sure that you keep your body relatively relaxed when you're doing this. Don't forget to breathe. Just go nice and slow. There you go, awesome. About another 30 seconds on this side.
You can feel that little bit of that groove that gets in there too.
Oh yeah. Okay, a few more seconds here. Keep going. Keep breathing. Okay, and then I'll have you go ahead and bring your hands out, put them to your sides. Okay, now all we're going to do is engage that transverse abdominis. So Richard's just going to take his belly button and pull it back towards his spine. There you go. You can relax the hips a little bit. All we're doing is just taking that belly in, and we're just pulling it back. And so it's like you're really trying to suck in right here. Don't forget to breathe while you're doing this. A lot of people will stop breathing. Get that air still coming into your lungs. You're just pulling back, and you'll feel some of that engagement wrapping around to your back there, because the transverse abdominis goes all the way around. Okay? So keep breathing, keep holding, a few more seconds. We're almost done. Keep going, keep going. Okay, go ahead and relax. Now we're going to come up into a glute bridge. So you're going to lift your hips all the way up. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. When you do the glute bridge, make sure that you're got good alignment with your hips. Don't rotate left and right to the sides. Don't do that kind of rotation. Instead, make sure that you're having a nice neutral spine. You're not overly arched or anything. You've got good engagement of your abs. Your upper body should be relatively relaxed, and your chest should be nice and wide open. Okay? We're just holding this for about 30 seconds. We only have a few more seconds to go. You should feel it in your hamstrings, your glutes, and your lower back muscles. And go ahead and come back down. Take a nice big breath and relax. That's all we got going on in this video.